Hello YouTube. This is simple, and this is going to be a quick tutorial about how to add pan and zoom to Cam Studio or Jing or any screencasting software that you have, as long as you have Windows. Basically, Cam Studio and many of the free versions of screencasting software do not include a pan and zoom function. But if you have Windows 7 or even earlier versions, you do have what's called Windows Magnifier. What Magnifier does is it allows you to zoom in. It will follow your cursor around the screen and allow you to show people what it is you're actually looking at. So at lower resolutions, they can read the text that's on the screen. Well, we don't necessarily want to have to double click on the icon every time we want to zoom, because sometimes we want to be able to see the entire screen and show general navigation, and then we want to be able to zoom in and show a particular feature with clarity that people can read. But we don't want to be double clicking on this icon every time, right? Well, another feature of Windows in Properties on any shortcut is the shortcut key. I have mine set to Control-Alt-Q. So, whenever I am zoomed out, I can just hit a shortcut key that allows me to activate Magnifier. And now I'm zoomed back in, and as soon as I start moving around, all that there is to show that I'm using the magnifier is this little magnifying glass. It's a little bit more professional looking. It actually accomplishes what we're looking for, and it's free. So, again, how to do this: you find your magnifier. Actually, I'll go ahead and show that to you right now. I click on my Start menu, type in Mag, and that gives me Magnifier as a program. I drag that to my desktop, say create shortcut here. I then go to Properties, and where it says Shortcut Key, you just click there, and you choose a Control-Alt and then another key to activate Magnifier. I chose Control-Alt-Q earlier. Let's try Control-Alt-S right now. Click OK, and now let's close out of Magnifier. You see that I've got two icons here. One's Control-Alt-Q, one's Control-Alt-S. I'm now going to type in Control-Alt-S, and Magnifier pops up. Now, another point to make is that Magnifier will always pop up to whatever it was left at as far as magnification. So, in setting up your video ahead of time, you want to make sure that at the resolution that you're looking at, how far do you need to magnify in order to make your text readable. In addition to that, on the settings here, if you click on this cog, you'll see tracking. You want all of these selected, and the reason is if you're typing, you don't want it suddenly following a mouse that's drifting off to the top. You want it to follow all of these things. So you say OK. As soon as you're not selected on Magnifier, the magnifying glass pops up, and that's it. You have now set up, effectively, a way to quickly zoom in and zoom out without distracting from your views or having to close a window and open up Magnifier. Thank you for watching, and enjoy screencasting. I hope to see you on my channel.